Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add YouTube directly to your dock on Mac, so you can open it just like a regular app anytime you want. Super easy, let's get into it. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to youtube.com. Now here's the trick. Go up to the top left of your screen, click File in the menu bar, and select Add to Dock. A pop-up will appear. You can rename it if you'd like. For example, just call it YouTube, then click Add. And that's it. You'll now see the YouTube icon sitting right in your dock. Now check this out. When you click on it, YouTube opens in its own window, totally separate from Safari. You can even quit Safari, and YouTube will stay open like a real standalone app. Pretty cool, right? And that's how you add YouTube to your dock on a Mac. If this helped you out, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.